my Forex fund got shut down.
It is finished.
What is this to the prop firm? What will this bring to the prop firm industry? You know, I'll be looking at my Forex funds as one of the biggest prop firms. Okay, after FTMO, I believe the next prop firms we will talk about will be my Forex firms. Then we start talking about the funded trader, that's the TFT. Now, from what has happened in the past with a funding talent, with this other prop firm in Australia, and now my Forex fund, what is happening? What is going to happen to the prop firm industry? Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I believe if you are watching this video right now, you are a Forex trader or you are a prop trader and you've possibly heard of the news, or you are just seeing it for the first time. You know, just yesterday afternoon, that was Thursday, today is Friday, I'm creating this video September 1st. Now, just yesterday afternoon, you know, I was trying to close some of my positions, and I discovered I couldn't close these trades. So I started wondering, okay, what could be going on? So I wanted to, you know, just log in to my Forex fund account to see what was going on. Then I saw this. Traders, yesterday we learned that without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and the commodities regulator in the United States issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in our bank accounts. Until these freeze orders are lifted or modified, our business is effectively and at least temporarily frozen as well. We'll be reaching out to the regulators to discuss their concerns, and the first court date to determine whether the freeze order should be lifted or modified is currently scheduled for September 11th in the US, with another hearing later that same week in Canada. We hope to have this matter resolved as soon as possible, and we update the message as events occur. This was the message, or this is the message on their website, My Forex Funds. Now, if this is happening to my Forex funds, then I'm scared, because most of these prop firms, we know that they are registered in either Canada or US or United Kingdom. Now, when they start this with my Forex fund, I will not be surprised if this is going to other prop firms. And even some that are not affected, they might start using this as a reason for them operating and just go away with people's funds. You know, this was what happened when IPC, I mean, you remember last 2 years now, IPC, SwapNet, VAT Forex, COTPs, all of them just disappears with people's funds. And all the excuses they were making was, oh, they got shut down, oh, this, oh, that. So I just want you to leave your comment below this video. What do you think is going to happen to the prop firms industry? Now, if you ask for my take, I think there's going to be a regulation. I'll be discussing this with my students. I'll be saying this. I'll be expecting this anyway. There's going to be a regulations, because with prop firms, different prop firms just springing up back and front, left and right, yes, I know there must be a regulation coming into it. I mean, many prop firms just springing up just to dupe people, just to wipe off people's. I mean, imagine MDP funding. Right now, I have 3 pending withdrawals that they refuse to authorize. They refuse to respond. Look at FCFF, First Class Forex Fund, Excel Trades, and so many of them like. So most of these prop firms, they are not legitimate. They are not supposed to be operating. They are not supposed to be online. But not my Forex funds. So if my Forex funds, if this is happening to them, I'm afraid to what is going to happen to the prop firms industry. Now, having said that, if you are a trader, this is, I believe this is the time that you should start creating insurance for yourself. What does that mean? No matter how small that your account is, it might be $100 account, it might be $500 account, it might be $1,000 account. This is the time for you to start building that small. Now, the motive of trading with prop firm in the first place is not for you to be with them forever. It's for you to be able to generate capital to build your own personal account. So if you are trading and you are profitable, as soon as you are making profits, don't blow out the cash. Just make sure you are building your personal portfolio. Register with a broker. Forex will always be here. Okay, it doesn't matter what is happening with prop firms. Forex will always be here. What is Forex? It's foreign exchange. As long as there is, buying and selling going on between countries, between people, as long as banks are operating, people depositing money in the bank and the banks loaning money to people, there will always be foreign exchange. But just like the regular brokers, there are some that are regulated, there are some that are not regulated. So the same thing, that is why you see some of these brokers, they will say, oh, we're not taking US clients, we're not doing this, we're not doing that. And I'm expecting that also might start happening to prop firms, whereby some prop firms might just decide, okay, we are not taking US residents, and so on and so forth. Anyway, I would love to hear your comments. What do you think is going to happen to the prop firm industry?